What's up, West Coast Swing Dancers? I'm super excited to announce the launch of our new app. It's called the Social Dance Online app. You can download it in the App Store in Apple and Android. Now, there's three things I love about this app. Number one, we have 18 different dance styles. They're broken down in what we call our social dance syllabus that will tell you the exact steps you need to learn from beginner to being a confident social dancer. Second thing I love about the app, and we haven't had this feature before, the ability to download and watch videos offline. So maybe you're in your summer home, you have bad streaming signal, you can download the videos, watch them in the app, and stream them to your TV. Third thing I love is this community feature. It works basically like Facebook inside of the app. So we can scroll through, you can type in your comments, and we can type back answers and link the videos to your question right in there. I'll drop the links in the description below, or you can watch this video right here. Click on this link right here, and I'll tell you more about it. And at the bottom of that page, you'll be able to download the video. I can't wait to see the progress you make on the social dance floor.